Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the enchanting world of home decor with a special focus on the transformative power of mirrors. We're thrilled to have you join our community of design enthusiasts who appreciate the beauty and functionality that mirrors bring to our living spaces. In our videos, you'll discover how mirrors can not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also create a sense of depth and light. Whether you're looking to make a small room feel larger or simply want to add a stylish accent, our content is tailored to inspire you and help you express your unique style. In each episode, we explore a variety of home decor topics, emphasizing the essential role mirrors play in design. From selecting the perfect wooden mirror frame to positioning mirrors for maximum impact, we aim to provide you with practical tips and creative ideas. Our tutorials, product reviews, and expert interviews are crafted to ensure you receive insightful advice that elevates your home decor game. We believe that every home has a unique story to tell, and our mission is to help you enhance yours through thoughtful mirror choices and stylish decor. To support our channel and help us continue creating valuable content focused on home decor and mirrors, we invite you to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Your engagement not only motivates us, but also helps our community flourish. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest uploads, ensuring you never miss out on tips and tricks to make your spaces shine. Liking and sharing our content allows you to spread the word, helping fellow decor lovers discover the magic of mirrors. Together, we can build a vibrant community dedicated to transforming homes into beautiful, reflective spaces. Thank you for being here, and we look forward to embarking on this decorative journey with you. The home decor market has seen a significant surge in demand for stylish and functional items that enhance aesthetic appeal. Among these, wooden mirror frames stand out as versatile pieces that not only serve practical purposes, but also elevate the overall ambience of a space. Understanding the potential of this niche can help businesses captivate customers and drive sales. Market demand. As consumers increasingly seek unique and personalized home decor solutions, wooden mirror frames have emerged as popular choices. The natural textures and warmth of wood add an inviting touch to any room, making these frames appealing to a wide demographic. This growing market demand presents an opportunity for retailers to tap into a lucrative segment. Aesthetic versatility. One of the key advantages of wooden mirror frames is their aesthetic versatility. They can complement various interior design styles, from rustic and farmhouse to modern and minimalist. This adaptability allows businesses to cater to diverse customer preferences, increasing the likelihood of sales across different market segments. Quality and craftsmanship. Quality craftsmanship is paramount when it comes to wooden mirror frames. Customers are willing to invest in well-made products that showcase attention to detail. By emphasizing the quality of materials and the skill involved in crafting these frames, businesses can position themselves as premium providers in the market. Customization options. Offering customization options can further enhance the appeal of wooden mirror frames. Allowing customers to choose finishes, sizes, and designs can create a personalized shopping experience. This level of customization not only meets individual preferences, but also fosters customer loyalty and repeat business. Eco-friendly appeal. In an era where sustainability is a priority for many consumers, wooden products naturally align with eco-friendly values. Sourcing wood from sustainable forests and promoting ethical manufacturing practices can attract environmentally conscious customers, giving businesses a competitive edge in the market. Marketing strategies. Effective marketing strategies are essential for showcasing the unique features of wooden mirror frames. Utilizing social media platforms to share visually appealing content, such as styled home environments featuring the frames, can capture the attention of potential buyers. Collaborations with interior designers and influencers can also amplify brand visibility. Online presence. A strong online presence is crucial in today's digital marketplace. Creating an engaging website that highlights the beauty and functionality of wooden mirror frames can drive traffic and conversions. Incorporating customer reviews and testimonials can further build trust and encourage purchases. Pricing strategies. Pricing wooden mirror frames effectively is vital for maximizing profit margins. Conducting market research to understand competitor pricing, while also considering production costs, can help businesses set competitive yet profitable prices. Offering bundle deals or seasonal discounts can also stimulate sales. Customer engagement. Engaging with customers through various channels can enhance brand loyalty. Hosting workshops or DIY events related to home decor can create a community around the brand, encouraging customers to share their experiences and promote word-of-mouth marketing. Trends and innovations. Staying updated with the latest trends in home decor can help businesses innovate their wooden mirror frame offerings. Incorporating elements like mixed materials or unique shapes can attract trend-conscious consumers, ensuring that the product line remains fresh and relevant. Seasonal promotions. Leveraging seasonal promotions can significantly boost sales of wooden mirror frames. Designing marketing campaigns around holidays or special occasions, such as home renovation seasons, can create urgency and encourage customers to make a purchase. Building partnerships. Building partnerships with home decor retailers, interior designers, and online marketplaces can expand the reach of wooden mirror frames. Collaborating with established entities in the industry can provide additional exposure and credibility, ultimately leading to increased sales. Engaging content marketing. Content marketing can play a crucial role in attracting potential customers and establishing brand authority. Creating informative articles, how-to guides, and design tips related to wooden mirror frames can drive traffic to the website. This content can also be shared across social media platforms, encouraging engagement and interaction with the brand. Leveraging user-generated content. Encouraging customers to share their own photos of wooden mirror frames in their homes can create a sense of community and authenticity. User-generated content serves as powerful social proof, as potential buyers see real-life applications of the product. Featuring this content on social media and websites not only showcases customer satisfaction, but also inspires others to visualize the frames in their own spaces. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights that will enhance your home decor journey, especially when it comes to incorporating stylish mirrors into your space. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more tips, tutorials, and creative ideas, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to create engaging and informative videos. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with friends or family who might also appreciate the beauty of home decor. Together, we can build a community of decor enthusiasts who love transforming their spaces into beautiful reflections of their unique styles. Thank you once again for being a part of our journey, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.